What is Envato Elements membership? Envato Elements is a subscription-based service that provides access to a library of millions of creative assets, including royalty-free photos, graphics, templates, and more. Envato Elements members can have unlimited downloads and use any asset from the library. Elements also offers exclusive deals and discounts on other Envato services. What are the pros and cons of Envato Elements? The pros of Envato Elements are that it is affordable when compared with other stock membership sites. Here are the current prices. Envato Elements is easy to use and has a very convenient all-in-one search feature. As you can see here, when I search for dancing monkeys, the search results include photos, videos, music, and animations, all including my search keywords dancing monkey. Envato Elements has a large library of files. The cons are that it is not always easy to find what you are looking for, and the file quality can vary. In this example here, I'm searching for anaconda attack person, but I get a bunch of irrelevant photos and videos not relating at all to my search topic. Overall, Envato Elements is a great resource for finding royalty-free files. The library is large with a lot of creative files for 3D and animations. I love the all-in-one search feature. Envato is a billion-dollar company, so they are constantly spending money on adding new creative files to this membership. Check it out, do some keyword searches, and judge for yourself the quality and quantity of the search results on the files you are looking for. I'll leave the link down below. Thanks for checking out this video.